All right, today we're going to go over our reasons why we own the Forward Blue laser machine and why we have owned it for now 2 years and why we recommend it. So if you are in the market right now to buy a laser machine, we will tell you the reason why we personally love this machine and why we personally recommend this machine. So reason number one, why we love this machine. The glass comes out so much easier. So with this rod that you also use to get the focal point done, you just tap on the glass a few times after the glass comes out, and the glass literally just falls out of the machine. Super easy. So I highly recommend it for that reason. Reason number two, we're going to turn on the machine and you're going to watch the fan in the back turn on. And if you look on here, you will see there's a built-in computer into it. So reason number two is you do not need to buy an external computer. Everything's done right from the machine. You don't need to have a second device being a computer, for example, a laptop or a desktop. No computer needed. Reason number three, it is very user-friendly and one-time calibration, and that's it. So you calibrate it once with your X and your Y, and we have a video done this already, which you can see on our YouTube channel. One-time calibration, get your X and your Y, and that's it. You never have to calibrate it again unless you physically take this machine and move it somewhere else. So unlike the fiber laser machines that you need to constantly calibrate after every single device, you only calibrate this once and that's it. Reason number four, you don't need to buy an external clear plastic box. So the other laser machines on the market require you to buy a plastic clear box that you connect to your fume extractor. This is all enclosed. So everything is inside the machine. You don't need to buy an external box to connect to your fume extractor. This is all enclosed. So that's reason number four. Reason number five, you do not need to buy any molds when you use this machine. So the fiber laser machines are selling these molds that you put on top of the phone, and you probably need to spend about $150 to buy all the molds from the iPhone 8 all the way to the iPhone 14 series, which is about to come up in a few months. So, and then every year you're gonna have to buy new molds. Well, with this machine, you never ever have to buy molds. Reason number six, you do not need to worry about damaging your phone. With this machine, unlike the fiber laser machine that can easily damage phones, you could damage motherboard, camera. This machine, once you calibrate it properly, one time, that's it. You're not going to need to worry about maybe causing a physical damage to your customer's phone. So that is reason number six. There's less probability that you're going to cause damage to a customer's phone with this machine, and that cannot be said from the other laser machines. You can easily check this on different repair groups that have the subject on laser machines, and time after time after time there's someone making a comment that their fiber laser machine damaged their customer's phone. So you do not need to worry about that with the blue laser machine from Forward. Reason number seven is the price. The price is right with this machine here. For about $1,500 you can get this machine brand new, and there are some fiber laser machines out there that are $1,000 more. Some are $1,500 more. Well, this machine is priced right, and the value that you're getting for $1,500. Think about this. You do not need to buy a computer now. Think about this. You do not need to buy molds now. So the price for this machine is right. It is correct. You're looking at about $1,500 investment, maybe a little bit more depending on where you live, but $1,500 to $1,600 is the price as we stand today, July of 2022. And finally, reason number 8 why you want to get this laser machine is the support. This is the only company I have seen that supports their machine and provides machine support. When you compare it to TBK, M Triangle, and the other machines out there, the support is very, very poor. So considering that most of these companies are all based in China and we are based here in the United States, this is the only company that you can deal with between you and them without having a middleman somewhere in the United States that will back up their device and provide the proper support. I personally haven't had to have major support because the machine has been really good to us for 2 years that we have owned it. But the times that we have communicated with them, for example, when we first calibrated the machine, they were very, very supportive and took care of all of our needs as far as needing the help to calibrate the machine. So support is another major reason why we recommend this machine. You can buy a good machine out there, but if you don't have the proper support after the sale, then you're going to be in trouble. And then Forward backs up their machines with proper support. So there you have it, folks. 8 reasons why we recommend the Forward Blue laser machine. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to our channel. We'd really appreciate your support. Thank you for watching our video. And also, we have a good playlist on the Forward Blue laser machine. Right now we are about 15 videos talking about this machine and different things that you need to know about the machine to work it and to own it. So please check those out too. I will post them below and you can check that playlist out and see it for your review. Thank you very much. Have a great day.